Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Life Should Be Delicious. My name's Peyton, and this is my apartment in Baltimore. Today, we're going to cook beets, the vegetable that you forgot about. Okay, so what are you going to need? Usually I cook about 3 beets at a time, depending on the size. The bigger they are, the longer it's going to take them to cook. What you're going to do is go ahead and chop the top off, not the root, but just the greens, and put them into a pot of water, and then we're going to boil them. You can save the greens for later. They make great sauteed greens, and you can juice them and do all this other stuff, but that's a different show. All right, so here we go. Go ahead and put a lid on the pot and turn the heat to high. Bring it to a boil. Once it gets boiling, turn down the heat and cook them until they are fork tender. These are not quite done. These are perfect. Go ahead and bring these to the sink. While they're hot and still in the hot liquid, grab a kitchen towel and rub your beets. The skin will come right off. Afterwards, run them under cold water to stop the cooking process, and you can do any more cleanup that you need to do to your beets. And that's it. Your beets are cooked. Okay, so if it's a bigger beet, I like to cut it in half and then slice it. And you get these beautiful, beautiful golden beet slices that you can use on salads. I mean, anything. You can eat them just like this. Whatever you want to do with it, they're delicious. Well, thanks for joining us on Life Should Be Delicious. I'll see you all next time, and I hope you enjoy your beets.